Hello, hello everyone, or should I say big shot. Today, today's print is Tana from deltarune. Even though it may not have shape of Tana right now, in a few hours it will sure be looking like Tana. Currently the progress is at 38%, which is not bad. After all, it has only passed an hour and 11 minutes. Right now, the Tana is doing well. He is being printed with inland PLA basic gray, and as you can see, he's doing well. He has supports on. The printer is moving well. The speed percentage I have it is 999, which yes is possible. It's a lot faster than 100%. As you can see, it's doing well. It's printing. No catastrophic failures right now. Currently in the UI, you can go check it out. The nozzle temperature is 160 degrees Celsius and the bed is 60 degrees Celsius. Currently, this is the print I'm making right now. Next print I'm going to do is going to be a surprise bits from deltarune chapter 3. So currently, the Bowden tube is doing well. I have to hot glue in the Bowden tube because my Mega S has a problem where this part right here it will move up and then it moves up and causes a catastrophic failure. So it's hot glue down. It has the filament runout sensor. It's doing well. A ghost I got from Micro Center. Very cool. Some random bugs. Filament, the PLA Plus and PETG. I'll make a review soon enough. As you can see, my SD card, the USB B port, and honestly, that's it. It's doing well. It's no catastrophic failures. I'll keep you guys updated with a short after it's done. See you guys.